Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk about Integration Hub. When can we use Integration Hub? If you want to integrate your business process with the external system. For example, if an incident is getting created in your system and you want to send all the details of your incident to the external system, or you can pass, or you can you want to send all the information to the Slack channel or another external system. So in this case you can use Integration Hub. So basically we were using like SOAP messages and REST messages or business rule to send the incident details to the external system. In this case I'll show you how can you do the same thing with the help of Flow Designer. So first I'll create a flow. Click on this new flow button. Give the name as Integration Hub. The requirement is when an incident is created with a high priority in the system, then we have to send the information detail to external system. So I'll select trigger, record type as created. Set the condition as when the priority is critical. Now I will create action. These are spokes available and these are the actions available in this scope. So for example, if I'll select this ITSM spoke, so these are the actions available in the ITSM spoke. Spoke is nothing but our scoped application. So let me go back to home. If I click action tab, so these are all the actions available and these are the spoke. So if I select ITSM spoke, or you can say scoped application, so I'll see so many actions are available. 17 actions are available for ITSM application or ITSM spoke. And these spokes are available once you will install this plugin in your system. ServiceNow Integration Hub Installer plugin. So you have to activate this plugin to make these spokes available in your system. Slack, Microsoft Teams, HipChat, ServiceNow e-bonding, example. Now as per the requirement, when the incident is created in a system, we have to send the details of this incident ticket to the external system. So I'll select ServiceNow e-bonding example, create remote incident. Here I'll select incident record. Now to establish the connection with external system, we have to define the external system URL in our system. So for this, go back to your Web Navigator, type connections, and click on this connection credential analysis module. Click on this record. Click on new button. Give the name as Integration Hub. Click on this reference icon. If the credential is not created, then you have to click on new button and click on this basic auth credential link, and here you have to give the username and password by which you can establish the connection with your external system. For now I have just created this. I already have created these credentials. So Just I am selecting this, and here you have to pass the URL of your external system. If it is an instance, so you have to pass your instance URL here. Go back to your flow design, select incident record and click on run test button. Click on this link. Test run completed successfully. Now I am seeing that incident has been created. This is my external system, which URL I passed in this instance while creating a connection. So I'll go there and search for the incident, whether it is created or not. See here, remote incident number is this, and we were running test on this incident. So this incident has been created in my external system. So it means the functionality is working fine. Run this functionality one more time. So this time I am selecting incident number, this. This is my incident number on which I was running this test, and this is the incident which has been created in external system. So go to external system, click on created on today. It means the functionality is working fine. To see the logs, click on this, and to see the steps that has been covered in this action, you can click on this. You will see that all default field values from this incident, like short description, priority, has been copied in this ticket. Say this, short description, caller information, priority, new category. Now, as per the requirement, we want to send this incident ticket details to the Slack channel as well as. So for this, click on this, add an action, click on Slack spoke, select action as post incident details. Here you have to pass your Slack webhook URL. So go to Google, search for Slack webhook URL, click on this link, click on this link, select channel as general, click on this link, scroll down and copy this URL and paste this URL here. Here you have to pass incident record. Here you can add additional message as critical priority incident by default. System passes short description, incident, priority, state, category, assignment group information. But if you want to pass another field information instead of default field information, so you can override here. For example, if you want to pass business service information, so you can select here. So it will override default field values. So now I'm keeping it as it is. Here you can pass the username. I'm passing username as who has created this incident. Here you can pass your channel. Here you have to pass the name of your channel. The name of my channel is #general. So I'll set the channel here. Here you can set icon. And save your flow. To test your flow, click on test button, select record. Now we can see that information that we are passing. Username as admin, channel name as general. This is my incident record. This is my Slack channel. This is the additional message I was passing. Click on step. Here you can see all the default fields: short description, category, state, priority. As we have not override the default fields, so it is passing all the information of default fields from this instance to Slack channel. Open the Slack channel, then select the channel. I have selected the channel as general. Now I am seeing that incident record has been sent from the ServiceNow to Slack channel with the default fields: short description, category, priority, and state. Click on activate button to activate your flow. In this video, I have covered this topic. Thank you so much for watching this video.